Once upon a time, in the heart of a magical forest, the animals came together for an important meeting. There had been heated disagreements and misunderstandings lately, and it seemed the forest had lost its harmony. The wise old turtle suggested they hold a contest to choose a king to lead them. Every creature cheered at the idea, for they knew this was the way to restore the peace and joy of their home. As the sun rose the next day, the atmosphere buzzed with excitement. Banners were strung between tall trees, and the forest floor was swept clean by busy squirrels. The grand contest had 3 rounds, and every animal, whether they were big elephants or tiny mice, could compete. The first round was a test of strength, and all awaited eagerly to see who would emerge victorious. The magnificent elephant, Herbert, stomped forward to participate, his large feet echoing through the clearing. He lifted a great log with ease, impressing the crowd with his might. Surely, many thought, such strength is what a king needs. Next was the race of speed. Animals lined up, and as the whistle blew, the cheetah named Zara dashed off, swift and sleek as a shadow, leaving a trail of dust behind. She crossed the finish line in a blink, receiving cheers from the other animals. A king must be swift to follow, they murmured. As twilight descended on the forest, the animals gathered for the most challenging round, wisdom. This was where Ollie the owl made his mark. Standing tall on a tree branch, he answered tricky questions and solved riddles effortlessly. The crowd nodded in approval. A wise king leads the best, they agreed. Just when it seemed the contest results were clear, a small squeaky voice piped up from the ground. It was Timmy, the tiny mouse, hardly noticeable among the great ones. "Hello," he squeaked nervously, "I have an idea too." The other animals were curious. What could this tiny creature possibly suggest? Timmy cleared his throat and began, "While strength, speed, and wisdom are important, what matters most is how we care for each other. I propose that the king should spend a day in each of our homes, seeing and understanding everyone's needs and problems." There was silence. The crowd was taken aback. Then, slowly, animals began nodding their heads in agreement. "Timmy's right," said Herbert the elephant softly. "A king needs to understand us all," added Zara the cheetah. "And above all, be kind to us," Ollie the owl hooted wisely. Excitement bubbled among the animals as they realized the truth in Timmy's words. Being a leader wasn't about just strength, speed, or wisdom, it was about being there for everyone, caring for each creature's well-being, and working together as a team. The animals cheered as they crowned Timmy the mouse as their honorary king, not for his might or quickness or even wisdom, but for his big heart. Under his gentle guidance, the forest thrived once more, the animals worked together, disputes were soothed away, and happiness reigned once more. And so, from that day on, every creature knew that the most important quality of a leader is the kindness they show to others.